Well, it's getting closer to fall. I'm out here walking my dog, and man, is it turning yellow now. And I think it's in the upper 50s today. But look what I'm looking at. Yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. What do you think? She says we're not ready for fall.
Out on a ride again tonight. It's finally cooled off. I love taking these rides when it's nice and cool out. Well, 80s, low humidity. Nice though. But yeah, I didn't want to go to work today, but got to do what you got to do. Nice out here this evening though, man. Evening, I know. I say it all the doggone time. But it is. Another beautiful evening. Got this zoomed in a little bit, but try to stop here at Boot Hill Road in Nearing Branch. Listen to the locusts for a little bit. Just listen to the sounds of the country. And right here, it's especially unique. If you look, I don't know, the windshield's off good, but all those, the old rock fences they built. Look at that. Old rock fence. These things run for miles and miles out here. A lot of work involved in that. Heck yeah. Yeah, look at that rock fence. And these, like I said, they run for miles. Miles.
Thank God I'm a country cat.
I've been roaming all day already.
But I always
Come home. Red Robert, you got flour on your hand? You build a donut. Oh my goodness. Yep. Heck yeah. You got flour? Sun's going down. I gotta hurry up. Still got 20 miles to go. I'll have a few more videos before I hit Snoqualmie. Take that nice ride back home on Snoqualmie. One more video. Trying to catch this just right without getting that reflection too much into it. Heck yeah, that nice or what? Heck yeah. Man, there it goes. There's the sun going down. Heck yeah. Anyway, don't want to make it too long. But yeah, that is the one beautiful sunset there. No cows are bellowing like I normally hear tonight, but anyway, there goes the sun. Alrighty, time to head for home.
Grandpa's gonna take that leaning tree, and he's gonna take that and he's gonna put it down so that it doesn't end up with putting snow this winter and landing on our power lines and taking our power out. So here he goes. See how this works. He's really good at operating machines, so I bet he'll just take it right down like it's nothing. We're gonna find out though. Oh, here we go. Machine didn't like it. Maybe not. Okay, I'm watching for cars. He's gonna cut it, and I'm gonna watch for cars. I stand up here. I think you should probably stay standing on the side of the road. I'm standing actually, the cars will stop if they see me. You watch for cars that way, okay? And I'll watch for cars this way. Here we go, cutting down this tree. Oh my goodness, the things Grandpa gets up to.
Maybe I should cut it over my head or somewhere near me. Good.
Oh, I pray it doesn't knock him out of there and hurt him. Oh my goodness. Careful, Ezra, it might kick up and hit you. Please be prepared. Oh my. Timber! There it goes. Whoa. Wow, that was crazy. Now cleanup time. Gotta cut it up and get it out of the road.
It's raining.
I know, it's raining. That black cloud up there is dropping rain on us now. Ezra's getting it cut up so we can get it out of the road. Right now it's blocking the road. We're watching for cars so we can warn them. Ezra's getting the rest of it. Oh, don't break your back, son. I'm a muscle man. And there you have it. Tree down, tree gone. Boom. Thank you, thank you.
I'll run down the end of the driveway. So you want me to catch it? I can catch it for you.
Careful.
I have a dull chainsaw.
There it goes. Oh! Oh!
Oh, that worked good.
Got it.
Hi everybody, I'm riding my bicycle. I didn't know if I'd be able to ride my bicycle. I haven't rode it this year because of my knees, but I heard that it's good for you to exercise your knees, so I don't know how far I'll get. I'm going for a short bicycle ride. My bicycle? It's a tricycle actually. I usually bring my dog along, but I didn't want any extra weight here right now. So, we'll see. How far can I pedal? Probably not too much further. But it's a beautiful night. Check it out. There's the bridge where we look at the ducks all the time. Pedaling down the highway. There's the ball field where we go all the time with Tilly. Pick cranberries. It's a beautiful, beautiful fall evening in Alaska. It's probably, feels like it's about 58 degrees. The air feels cold though. I wish I wore a sweatshirt. But what a nice ride. Thanks for coming along.